Imagine you have a secret to make $1,000 a day. Would you share it with me? Why would you take the risk of losing your revenue for nothing? Even a simple question like this points the issue on all of these free MEV bot code videos. We will delve the depths of MEV bot scams. Is it easy to achieve MEV? How to detect scam MEV videos? First thing first, what is MEV? MEV stands for maximal or minor extractable value, means reordering on-chain transactions in order to make some profit. There are different types of MEV, but let's see the example of a simple sandwich attack. Let's say price of token A is $1. Alice wants to buy $1,000 worth of coin A. Peter sees her transaction, front runs, and buys before Alice. Price of A is now, let's say, $1.1. Alice buys coin A. Price of E is now, let's say, $1.2. Peter sells all his token A and gets $1,100. Peter makes about $100 minus gas fees. Alice receives about $900 worth of coin A. Achieving a sandwich attack in a system relies on being able to see others' transaction, being able to buy before victim, and being able to sell after victim's transaction is done. This is basically a sandwich attack, one of the popular MEV types. The point is generating profit from others' on-chain activities. But since Peter is able to see Alice's transaction, another third person is also able to see both Peter and Alice's transaction. This brings competition to the table. MEV actors are keep competing each other all the time. There are some protocols like flashbots that makes transaction orders private, but even with such protocols, there is still a competition for bribing miners. Protocols like flashbots ensures a transaction is to be included the next block for an additional fee prescribed by attacker. Let's say attacker of X sees an opportunity of MEV and committed sandwich transaction via flashbots, a private transaction layer. Attacker Y also sees same opportunity of MEV and sends a sandwich transaction via flashbots. Since both transactions sent to a private mempool, they don't see each other, but they still compete on each other's bribes. The one offers more bribe will end up going first and taking MEV opportunity. These are just surface of the MEV. It is a 3D chess and the most intelligent people on earth are competing with each other. Besides, there are some tools and devices are required to compete on high level. How fast your MEV bot algorithm? How low is your latency? Professional MEV operators are even using specialized operating systems and setups to compete. This demands a highly specialized knowledge and investment. The only way to making money from MEV for a regular programmer is spotting an unspotted MEV area, looking for a new protocols and deeply understanding how they work. Even if they manage to make an MEV, the profitability of this transaction will generally be much lower than you think. Contrary to popular belief, MEV bots gives up to 90% of their profits as bribes to the miners. Just check Etherscan for block rewards. When a huge MEV done, block rewards will be incredibly high. Unlike as the most of the popular YouTube channels say, there is no way to make $1,000 in a day after watching a YouTube video. It is merely impossible. These guys either making clickbait videos or even worse, they are just trying to scam you. Never ever copy paste any code from YouTube video and deploy a contract to the mainnet. And the most important thing is, if you can't even figure out how such scam smart contracts are working and stealing your tokens, you are nowhere close to achieve an MEV. Simply keep learning and developing yourself